Hi everyone, this is Dr. Bharadwaj from Fieldcast Homeopathy. I'm a homeopathic doctor. So today we will discuss on the topic of why homeopathic medicines doesn't have side effects. So we all know that homeopathic medicine doesn't have side effects, but you have to know what is the reason for it and what is the latest research saying about homeopathic medicines, so that we can incur that homeopathic medicines doesn't have side effects. Unless you know the reasons for not having side effects, you will not appreciate it completely. So we will look, there are mainly two reasons that homeopathic medicines doesn't have side effects. One is, it is beyond doubt proved that homeopathic medicines work on the principles of nanotechnology. These are the nanoparticles encapsulated in silicon coat. So, and their concentration is very low. It is almost 100 to 1000 picograms per ml. In homeopathic dilution, it is very low concentration, and they work on the principle of hormesis. What is the principle of hormesis? Hormesis says any substance in the world in low quantities stimulate the biological activity, in medium quantities it inhibits the biological activity, and in higher quantities it kills the biological activity. The homeopathy principles exactly, medicines exactly work on this principle. As the homeopathic medicine is very low, it works on the principle of hormesis, where the small amount stimulates a biological response. The medicine is so low that you cannot have side effects for it. Even though you have side effects, it's very rare, and they are very minimum, and you can just ignore them. And the next important principle of homeopathy, what is causing that homeopathy medicines does not have side effects, is individualization. See, when you go to a homeopathic doctor, he will ask all the questions related to your physical properties, or physiological properties and mental properties. He will take the complete case. Why? He wants to individualize it. He wants to individualize you based on your genetic constitution, based on your genetic makeup, and also the characters you acquired from the environment. Genetic and acquired, these are the two variants we collect. Precisely the variants in physical, physiological and psychological mechanism, so that we can target the medicine only for you. So it is not, when the medicine is targeted to multiple people, for example, you have fever and you take paracetamol, it is given to wide range of people, right? It is not your individual medicine. In that cases you will have side effects. But in homeopathy we will individualize you are individualized, your fever is individualized, your genetic makeup is taken into consideration, your psychological, physiological and mental conditions specific to you, and we deploy the drug targeting these things. We deploy the drug based on your individualistic character. When the medicine is low, when the concentration of the medicine is low, when we are using nanotechnology, when we are using the concept of hormesis on top of it, we are individualizing the medicine. This causes to have the homeopathic medicines minimum side effects. Minimum means actually there are no side effects, they are very rare. Even though they are very rare side effects, you can just ignore them and you can take homeopathic medicines. Get benefit by using homeopathy, especially in chronic cases where you have to take medicine for a long time. Common chronic cases include diabetes, or joint pains, or thyroid problems, PCOS, not only this, any chronic condition where you have to take the medicines for a long time. Homeopathy is the best. Reap the benefits of homeopathy. The major benefit is not having the side effects. Thanks everyone. If you think the video is helpful to you, like it, help your kin and friends by sharing the video, interact with us through the comments. save the video for your future references. All the links, social links and website links are given in the description. You can check us there. You have a lot of helpful information there. And finally, prevent your disease, cure your disease, and relieve your disease by subscribing to the channel and activating the notification bell icon. Thank you.